Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel DIY YouTube. This video I found this pants but a little bit long on me, so I decided to make it fit. First I'm just gonna cut it and then use my sewing machine to stitch it, and so the process is very simple and easy to do. First I took the measurement, used my measure tape also, and I need to cut about 3 inch and leave about a half inch for the sewing machine to make a final sewing or stitching it together. This pants, it's very heavy duty, made for like cold weather, especially used in the winter. Here in Canada the weather gets sometimes really cold and can be easily reach about minus 30 and 40 and more, and so this pants it's perfect for winter time. And even with the scissor it's really hard to cut because this pants made of 3 layers. And that's why I really love those type of pants. Sometimes it's very hard to find. The new ones are a little bit more expensive, but I found this at the Value Village store, which is the second hand store. For about it, I think it was like $15, but the new one costs roughly about 80 or more. Now I'm just checking again to make sure it fits on me and it looks okay. And now we flip it inside out, and then time to do some stitching on the sewing machine. So I want to do some, like the first sewing I try to stitch it together because it's made of 3 layers, and with washing, after like washing it a few times or so, and it won't come like parts or kind of be ripped again or something, and it gives more strength. And I use those type of pants mostly for work in the winter. It makes me warm. And even though with this kind of machine I found it's a little hard to stitch, a little difficult because of the thickness of the pants. Even like when I gonna do the final stitch, which is I have to kind of make it almost like 6 layers. But this type, you need a good needle or a little powerful sewing machine to stitch such a thick fabric, especially if made of multiple layers. There are also other random videos in the link, all the links in the description. If you'd like to check them out, we upload video randomly, regularly. Check them out please. If you like this video, there are more similar random videos, and we really appreciate if you like the video or share it, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time. Leave you watch the rest of this video. bye.